Hello everyone. So today we'll talk about another interesting problem. Okay, it is add strings. Okay, so given two non-negative integers num1 and num2. Okay, they are positive integers representing a string. Return the number, return the sum num1 and num2 as a string. Okay, return the sum of num1 and num2. You may solve the problem without using any built-in library for handling large integers such as big integer. You must also not convert the input to integers directly. Okay, so example is this one: 11 1 2 3, it's 134, 456 77 533. Okay, 0 0 0. And nums dot length can be ranged from 1 to 10 to the power 4. Nums 1 only consist of only digits. Num1 num2 does not have any leading zeros. Expect the expect for the zeros itself. Okay, there are no leading zeros in this case. So let us try to do that. Now it's pretty simple. We'll be approaching this problem in the same manner which we generally add any two numbers. What we'll do, we will be having two pointers. Okay, left pointer, right pointer, or left pointer of the basically last pointer, not left pointer. Last pointer which will be pointing it to the 1, and here last pointing will be pointing to the 3. We'll be adding them. Okay, we'll be taking the output, and then we'll be taking the carry as well, and the carry will be forwarded and will be added to the other input. Okay, so that is what we are going to be doing. Let us try to solve, and this will you will be easily able to get when we try to solve this problem. Now let us try to declare the variables. The first is result, okay, which is empty string which we need to return. Then we'll be having int I that will be pointing to the nums1 dot length -1. We'll be having int j. We're having int j as nums2 dot length -1. Okay, then string result is there, I is there, j is there, which is num2 dot length -1. Then we'll be having another which is carry. Okay, so these are the variables that we are going to be needing in this. Okay, now there will be a while loop which will be helping us to add basically. So there will be three conditions: that I should be greater than equals to 0, as we'll be decrementing I coming towards the left, or if j is greater than equals to 0, or the last condition is, let me just proper format it. It's always good to format your code because it helps to see properly, and carry should not be equals to 0. Okay, if we have something in a carry, okay, then we are going to be running this. If I is still greater than 0, then we are going to be running. J is still greater than equals to 0, then we are going to be running this. Okay, this is what we are going to be running in this. Now at the very end we just need to return the result, because the result will be having the answer here. Here we will be having two values. Okay, let me just bring this to the left so that you can see. So we'll be having two values, that is I value. Okay, whatever the value will be there at that. So if I is greater than equals to 0, okay, in that we'll be taking as a nums1 dot caret I. Okay, I value is basically I greater than equals to 0. If it is I value is greater than equals to 0, then we are going to be taking as character, and we are going to be subtracting 0, because that will be an ASCII and we need to get into the integers, and yeah, else not, we'll be getting 0. Okay, same thing for j value as well. Okay, so if j is greater than equals to 0, yes, if it is that, then nums2, and we can write as j value. Okay, write this. If it is greater than equals to 0, then we need to take that as character, dot. Okay, so these things are done. I value and j value we both got. I value and j value. We can do I minus minus, j minus minus. Then we just need to add, right? So we can make another variable in sum, which will be adding the both value, three values, I value plus j value plus carry, if is there anything. Okay, now carry is there. Now we just need to take the left, and we need to keep the update result equals to sum. Okay, like this, sum modulus 10. Okay, which will get the last value plus result. Okay, initially it is empty here. Then once done, we are going to be making the carry equals to sum divided by 10. Okay, so this will keep on updating the carry, and once we come out of this loop, we'll be just returning the result. Okay, let us try to run the code, and hopefully this works. Okay, and actually it should be double quotes. Cannot find the nums. Actually it is num, not nums. Here also. Okay, here we did the wrong thing, that instead of writing j while copy pasting, we did this issue, this error, so it should be j actually. Now it works fine. Let us try to submit the code. Yeah, so it's been successfully accepted. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video with such problems.